Thanks for joining us today. Welcome to the farm. My name's Jake. I'm going to talk you through a couple drinks today and kind of highlight some of the ingredients they have here at the farm. So the first drink I call the Cant Elope. It does have cantaloupe in it. It is also an homage to not getting married on a whim when you are the single child of a very Italian mom. Your wife will thank you. All right, so to get started, we're going to use 2 ounces of fresh squeezed cantaloupe. Put that in your mixing glass. We are going to add some quinine to give a bit of bitterness to the sweet. I started with 2 droppers, 2 milliliters of quinine. Might go 3 because the cantaloupe will be very sweet. And the reason I picked cantaloupe to go with this was because trying to mix a sweet and savory, salty drink that didn't have alcohol, I wanted it to be a refreshing summer drink. So cantaloupe is in season. I thought about being in Spain, looking over a balcony and having a really nice piece of cured meat and just looking out at the sunset. And you know, when you strain it all out, it kind of does look like a bit of a sunset. So then we are going to add some mint, some triple mint, about 3/4 of an ounce. That'll again be sweet, but once you balance it with the quinine, the wild quinine that you like, we have the dried mushroom to balance that out as well. So add some ice into your mixing glass. Get it cool. Make sure that shakes. Success. Before we start assembling our glass, whichever vessel you want to drink out of, just put a little bit of the triple mint syrup on the outside of it. Dip it into your dried porcini mix. Place right side up. We have the luxury of putting some wild quinine from the farm right in there. Most of the way up. And then for a little bit of freshness, for a little bit of lightness, top with fizz, and then drink. Cheers. That is really good. That is really good.